Due to lockdown effect, most of the people are losing their jobs. On the other hand, most of the people are staying at their home and they are getting bored more and more, and they don't go out for visiting any places due to bad situation. So today I want to share about 5 amazing websites to earn extra cash from any corner of this world. Step by step, watch this video to earn more and more by following this video. So before starting this video, I cordially request to subscribe my channel and click the bell button to get all types of notifications from here. If you appreciate my videos, please like, comment, share more and more with your friends and family members. And if you want to get such types of videos, watching step by step. So let's get started. Alright, first step is called social media pages. There are lots of social media now in the world: Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, Instagram, and you can earn by using this social media. Now I like to share another one. This is called Fiverr.com. Fiverr.com is a professional marketplace. Most of the people are working on this platform over here. So if you are a newbie or a professional freelancer, just come to this Fiverr and create an account, providing all the information over here. And if you come to this interface, there are lots of categories over here. Now this one is graphics and design, this one is digital marketing, writing and translation, video and animation, music and audio, programming and tech, business, lifestyle and industries over here. And just if you search on this search box about social media pages, there are lots of gigs over here. And this guy is from this gig 309 times over here, and his ratings is 5 and his starting rate is $55 over here. And this one is second gig. I think his starting rate is $250. Fiverr is a marketplace. You can start your journey by earning $5 and million dollars you can earn from here by providing your services from this website, I think, platform. So first of all, you have to create your account, and just then you must create your iCAPTCHAS gig to provide your services on this platform, I mean social media pages over here. So I strongly recommend you to use to create your account on Fiverr.com and start earning from this Fiverr.com over here. Next one is called writing and ebook. Writing and ebook. If you have a passion to write any ebook and you can earn extra cash, just go to this link over here and you can earn from different types of online platform, I mean writing platform over here. And if you come to this Fiverr.com or Upwork.com or peoplepower.com or freelancer.com, you can get lots of work on ebook writing. So first of all, you have to increase your skill to earn extra cash as a ebook writer over here. Next one is called number 3 is called domain flipping. Domain flipping is called the smart work to earn extra cash. I mean this one is silent earning from any corner of the world. Just you have to create your account on Sado.com, Flippa.com, GoDaddy, auction.com and much more over here. Just search on Google to know more and more domain flipping website. So if you want to invest more and more on domain flipping, you will be able to earn much more, I mean million or billion dollars from this domain flipping. So this one is the smartest work. Just create your account on this particular domain flipping website, and then you have to invest after researching on that particular website. So this one is the best and the smartest way, I think. Next one is called domain online service. If you come to this link, and you will get this amazing website, and which is pretty cool, and you can start your journey over here. This one is called instamojo.com. Instamojo.com, this one is the prettiest website to start your journey as a beginner to complete all types of work from here. First of all, you have to create your account and then complete your KYC, collect payments, get paid, sign up over here. So this is the best and easiest way to start your journey on this instamojo.com. Next one is called mutual funds of trading. Mutual funds of trading is one kind of smartest business from any corner of the world by using your computer or your mobile phone over here. These are the two websites to start your journey to collect your fund for different types of purposes or trading options here. Now I'd like to share first one is called CAPTCHAS.com. CAPTCHAS.com, this one is such types of website. You have to create your account, providing all the information here, and then you can read all the criteria from here and also start your journey on this particular website. Next one is called grow.com. Grow.com, this one is another website which is related to mutual funds or trading. So now I'd like to share about this grow.com. If you come over here, you will be able to know much more information about this website here. First of all, you have to create your account. Just click on the sign up button and provide all of your information to get started from this grow.com. These are the 5 processes to earn extra cash in this lockdown situation. So no way to earn without any types of hesitation or without any types of investment or without any types of experience. So I cordially request to watch my video to start your journey for ensuring extra cash from any corner of the world. So also I would like to share about my playlist. If you come to this playlist, you will be able to get lots of videos which is latest on make money online. Thanks for watching my videos till the end. I could request to subscribe if you did not subscribe, and if you appreciate my videos, please like, comment, share more and more with your friends and family members. If you have any questions, please comment on my comment box. I'll catch you guys in my next video. Till then, take care.